in for the groove. Got the ball, 3/4 mile. You're down, flaps full. Lining up, needle centered. Power coming back. On glide, a little high, correcting, touchdown. Wire 3, full power, and caught. Brakes coming on.
Repositioning. Target locked. Firing second pair. Splash 4. They're breaking off.
Roger, ball 105. Flying down the angle, deck is clear.
On speed, lined up.
Little power, hold it, catch it. Wire 3, stop.
Fort Tower, Ghost 2-1, a beam, ready for the break.
Ghost 2-1, you're clear for the break. Winds down, deck 109.
Line up and keep it coming.
Hold it, cut, wire 3. Nice
Thanks,
catch.
Fort. Ghost 2-1.